this girl for a walk. Yeah, because it's kind of yucky and raining, but oh well. Here we are, we're going for a walk. Just got myself all dressed and ready to go. Yeah, and this little girl ready to go. See, here she goes, shaking it off. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, well, I decided to go to the park. It's not that bad, it ain't raining. She loves this park. I forgot to show you one thing. He's so cute. Yeah, she's just got her. Hi, say hi to the YouTubers. Hi. See, back to my regular clothes. So now I'm on my way to go see Polly. So you're gonna come with me again. I just got done. Oh, look how cute she is over here. Oh, she made a huge mess with the hay. Okay, well, sorry, it took a little longer, but I got her some little grass. Did I? Her area. You want? I shut the gate. She kind of put her head on the grass and kind of hit her face. I'm like, oops, sorry, baby. She's trying to get my leg. You're trying to get my leg, aren't you? So she got water. She got water over there, and she got her stall clean. See, he's playing with the halter. She loves to play. See,